What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JS392 back with another video. Unfortunately, I haven't really been posting, and I've been trying to get content out, but the issue right now is I've been working like crazy, and then to make matters worse, much worse, is that somebody hit my vehicle badly. I've been hit before, the scat, but it was like a little cosmetic chip, and I was like, man, it's gonna cost me more to fix it than anything, so I just let it be. You can barely see it. Now, somebody hit me so hard that my control arm just was snapped, broken. The rims were pushed in. The vehicle itself was hit so hard that it was pushed onto the curb. The pressure of that push popped my tire, and you could tell it was a big vehicle from the location of the impact, and the fact that it moved that 4,500 pound behemoth the way it did onto the curb. And so the worst part of it all really is the fact that I don't know who did it, and the person whose house I was parked next to, he has a bunch of surveillance cameras, but I've yet to hear anything from him. I gave his son my number, and it seems like nobody's trying to help me out, and it's messed up because I'm just trying to get my just due for something that I didn't do. Somebody hit my vehicle, so I shouldn't have to deal with it. But for now, I have to go through insurance. And they're saying, yeah, it's not my fault and all this stuff, but who knows what they're going to do after that. Maybe they might raise my premium. Maybe they might drop me. Who knows? And this is going to take a long time to repair, and it's going to cost a lot of money. It has to be original parts. The car, you know how it is. When something like that messes up in the car, after that, it's not going to drive the same. So I don't even know how I'm going to feel driving that thing, man. That was my baby. That was my little guilty pleasure, and so right now she's hurting, and I'm gonna show you the damage, man. It's the control arm, the rims, the tires. Surprisingly, not too much cosmetic work. It looks like when he hit the fender flare, he caught just enough tire and rim to just dismantle that part only. And looks wise, it could have been worse, but that doesn't matter, man. The damage has been done to my suspension, and my steering, and my wheels, and that's enough to raise the cost of this thing thousands of dollars. You already know, like, this is a high performance vehicle. A lot of people are like, oh no, it's not. And yes, it is. It has adaptive suspension and all that stuff, and so many expensive parts from SRT that it's going to raise the cost. I mean, just the brakes alone is going to cost $900 to change if I had to change it. So imagine suspension parts, rims, and tires. Like, it's going to be ridiculous. Plus the cosmetic work that still has to be sanded down and repainted. Luckily, just my fender flare. The door got a little bit of a scratch, but it looks like it didn't get past a clear coat. It could be buffed out, but man, I'm going to be out of a scat for about a month and a half. This happened to my friend almost the same exact way, and it took about almost 2 months for him to get his car back. Between the shop ordering parts, obtaining the parts, and getting the work done, and making sure that it works properly. And they're gonna test drive the car, so there's gonna be some joyriding going on without my consent and my supervision. But that's just the nature of the game, man. And then so for now, I'm gonna see what I can do with some Mustang content. Give y'all something, and when the car comes back, definitely gonna give a good overlook of the work, everything that was done, how it drives from there on in. And I was gonna do a review of like the car for over a year, but now that this happened, I might have to do 2 of them, because I already did that video, put it together. I'm gonna upload it soon. But then now I'm gonna have to do another review post-operation, post-op review. My car is about to get some surgical repairs done, and man, I'm really not happy. I know I'm trying to like be in good spirits, but I'm really not happy about this, and I hope it doesn't happen to anybody else. And if it has happened to anybody, let me know. What happened after you got the car. Did it drive the same? Do you feel like it drives the same, or is it completely different and you're just disappointed? And you're at the point where you just want to get another car because of what happened. So yeah, that's what's happening to me today, guys. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. You know what to do. And I'll see you on the next one.